In this video I will show you how to fix VirtualBox installation error, like when it asks for Microsoft C++ or saying msvcp140.dll is missing. First we will download VirtualBox, then I will show you how to fix that error step by step. Go to the official VirtualBox website virtualbox.org. Click on download, then choose Windows host. That will download the installer to your computer. Now when you try to install or run VirtualBox, you might see an error like msvcp140.dll missing or Microsoft Visual C 2019 redistributable required. That means Windows is missing the runtime file VirtualBox needs. To fix this, go to Microsoft Visual C redistributable download page. Scroll down and download two files, 64-bit Windows or 32-bit apps. Even on 64-bit Windows, it's best to install both. Open the download file one by one. If you already have them installed, choose repair, otherwise click install. When they finish, close the installer. Restart Windows so the changes take effect. Now run the VirtualBox installer again. This time it should work without the error. Keep the default option, and when Windows asks to install Oracle drivers, click install or allow. Open VirtualBox and check if it launches correctly. If it does, you are all set. If not, uninstall VirtualBox, repair the C++ redistributable, restart and try again. And that's it, VirtualBox is installed and working. If this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe and share to support the channel. Thanks for watching.